Yo, no watcher. My Birdman say something to you. I want this you pick you out.
Oh yeah, man. So orange, we know it as in Jamaica, but this have a component that it is a illegal or banned substance when it comes down to athletes. I was an athlete, and this, my coach told me not to drink it because it boosts the system so much, gives you so much energy that it is illegal. So there's a component in this so orange here, as we call it in Jamaica. Athletes must not drink this.
Yeah, my people. You hear what man just say? So the trick about this orange is that we call it civil orange and call it all kind of name. So because we are Jamaican and we have this to our disposal, it now becomes a drug. You get the message? Open a fly over your head. Yes, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man. Well, we want this drug inside our body because isn't this the right drug to have, my brother?
Yes, sir, right drug.
Yes, man.
This is a name, where you want the name? No, this one don't have no... What drug they normally take again?
Whatever drug then take when athletes are running. But we won't call any name. We'll save the aesthetics.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Peace and light. Bless you video. Hear you out?
Yeah, man. Real,
big up yourself. Yeah, man. Bombard. Whoa. Fully charged.